presenting the prestige 1.5 litre electric kettle. It is available in red and black color variants. The kettle is made of stainless steel with a concealed element that makes it easy to clean and also avoids corrosion. With 1500 watts power, the kettle heats up water faster. It comes with an automatic cut-off feature that cuts off the power supply once the water is boiled, making it safe and improving its lifespan. With durable and sturdy handles, the kettle ensures convenient use and safety while carrying and lifting it. The single-touch lid locking mechanism ensures a quick seal to prevent steam from escaping, making water boil faster. The kettle has an illuminated power indicator which glows when power is on. The 360-degree swivel base allows you to plug it in any direction with desired jug handle position. The kettle is detachable from its power base for convenient usage and portability. Cord winder can be used to shorten the length of cord as per the required distance from the plug point. Inside the box, you will find one prestige kettle. The product comes with a 1-year warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.